and it's India's face to the world,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And I think Delhi has to represent that.
फ्री का बिल्कुल टोटली बंद होना चाहिए।
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फेलियर, मिसमैच ऑफ दिस क्या नाम है अपना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, पीछे वाली सरकार ने मतलब काम नहीं किए जी, उनके ऊपर काम किया जाए।
For our generation, right, we need more libraries, we need better roads and all of that.
From pollution to road infrastructure to public transport. These are the concerns of Delhiites as we are in the heart of Delhi CP to ask and assess what are the expectations of the people, what they want from the upcoming government and how they rate the current Aam Aadmi Party government. So stay tuned.
Honestly, I was really young when the previous government came into power, and I'm just 20, right?
Yeah.
But I think for our generation, right, we need more libraries, we need better roads and all of that. And the government, it's been less than ideal results for this government. And honestly, this time around, I don't think they've got a pretty good portfolio, so to say. Like some grand vision for Delhi. Kejriwal himself has admitted to his mistakes.
Yeah.
And honestly, for that matter, neither do any of the major parties competing, right?
Yeah.
Because it's going to be a hot take. But Delhi, and it's India's face to the world,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And I think Delhi has to represent that. It has to be on par with global capitals,
Right.
right? And the government has the resources, the government has the power, but any government, whatever government comes into power, I just want them to take initiative.
Okay.
Actual tangible results,
Uh-huh.
right? Rather than,
But what would be three top things you would want your next government to address and work on it?
well, firstly, better roads, better roads, better traffic control.
Okay.
Because again, most of our time is spent commuting.
Definitely.
If they can do that, at least better public transport, better metro lines, better buses, and just some sort of community.
Okay.
Like, I said libraries before, but any sort of communal spaces where people of all walks from life can come and sort of have a bonding experience rather than going helter-skelter. So
Okay.
I think for me, as a first-time voter, voting for the Delhi government, I think that's what I'd want.
फ्री की चीजों से आदमी निकम्मा बनता है
जी।
उसको आप जो है अब गवर्नमेंट ये लोग अपने लालच के लिए सिर्फ जो है कह देते फ्री का ये दे देंगे जी वो दे देंगे तो कोई मतलब थोड़ी है जी उसका। फ्री का बिल्कुल टोटली बंद होना चाहिए।
कोई भी शासन प्रशासन राजा वो पब्लिक को फ्री प्लान चालू कर देगा, उस देश का पूरा बर्बादी हो जाएगी। चाहे कोई भी राजा आ जाए या कोई प्रजा का आदमी हो, अगर मेहनत करके खाना है तो देश हरियाणा रहेगा। अगर देश के अंदर काम कर छोड़ दोगे सब व्यवस्था खराब हो जाएगी।
दिल्ली वालों के लिए ये कि जो जहाँ इस पीछे वाली सरकार ने मतलब काम नहीं किए
जी,
उनके ऊपर काम किया जाए।
जैसे कि क्या क्या आप 5 ऐसी बड़ी चीजें बताइए जिसपे इमीडिएट एक्शन लेना है, बहुत जरूरी है।
मेन चीज रोड्स
जी।
दूसरा मतलब क्लीनलीनेस,
सफाई।
पानी की जो प्रॉब्लम है और दूसरा पोल्यूशन है
जी जी
और मेन चीज है पॉलिटिकल टसल
जी
जो कि पिछले 10 साल से पब्लिक झेल रही है।